Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so Lovart AI just dropped something wild, and I need to break this down for you because this is not like other AI tools. This is different. Thousands of creators are already using it. You can check their gallery and see what people are making. This is crazy. But here's where it gets interesting. They just launched something called Touch Edit, and this changes the game completely. Let me explain. Before this update, if you made an image and wanted to change one small thing, you had to regenerate the whole thing, like starting over every single time. That's annoying, that's slow, that's a waste of time. But now with Touch Edit, you just point at the part you want to change. That's it. You mark the area, you tell it what you want, and it edits just that part, not the whole image, just the part you marked. Perfect accuracy. So if you want to change someone's shirt color, you tap the shirt. If you want to swap the background, you tap the background. If you want to fix text, you tap the text. Simple, fast, powerful, and there's more. Most AI image tools are like a slot machine. You type a prompt and hope it works. If it doesn't, you spin again and again and again. That's frustrating. That wastes time. But Touch Edit gives you precision. You get exactly what you want. No more guessing. No more endless regenerating. You mark what you want to change and change it. And the speed. Oh man, the speed. Think about how long it used to take to make a simple change. You'd have to go back to your prompt, rewrite it, generate again, check the result, not happy, do it again. That could take 10 tries, 20 tries. Now, one tap, one change, done.